Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, you see this guy right here? It says Jose dos Santos Ferreira, and it's right there. And it's in three languages. This is in Portuguese. This is in English right here. So here he is here, and I'll kind of read it. I'll step back a little bit, and then you can kind of see it. And it basically says that he's known as Ade. He was born in Macau in 1919 and died in Hong Kong in 1993. He had a Portuguese father and a Macanese mother, and he was the last Macanese poet of distinction that wrote in Patois, the local dialect. He lived here his whole life and left a great body of work, 18 books and plays and radio shows, all in the local language of Patois. So, okay, I always wondered who this was because he's pretty, the name is the name of the circle. So that's what it looks like right there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that's his face. He looks very Portuguese, so I'm surprised he's half Macanese and Portuguese, but I guess it makes sense. So, okay, pretty cool. So, yeah, it's in three different languages. So, okay, this is basically in the park here. So this park here is kind of centered around President Casino, Star World, which is this kind of cool looking casino right up here. Beautiful looking casino. Well, I'm kind of using my phone, so let me see if I can zoom in a little bit and you can see some of the detail. So yeah, it's kind of interesting because you can see how some of these will be right there. So, okay. Let's see. So there's a bunch of casinos here. President, and then that's where our statue is at right there. So you can see our statue right there. So, okay. So we're just gonna continue on here. Some of the beautiful trees. And then basically we're gonna try to make this iPhone stable here. Because sometimes I'm afraid it might go all over the place if I don't. I mean, the images might. Nice moon up there, if you can see that. And this is basically another little edge of Macau. I have walked in here in the daytime. This is a nighttime shot. And if you can see this yellow building right here, there's actually a bar in there called Compact Bar, and you can overlook this whole park. It's kind of that wraparound window part, which is where the golden yellow sign is at. Up in that space, it's like wraparound windows that go all the way around. So pretty amazing, actually. Okay, so we got another one. There's another statue. There's a dog over there. So I don't know what this guy is. Pretty cool beard. He has beard. Kind of got a beard too. I don't know. What do you think? Can't really see my camera right here because I have it in a certain angle. But anyways, not sure what the name of this guy is. But he has this dog over here, so let's just see. Nope, I don't know who he is. But he's in front of Compact, and he's also in the same park. So this beautiful park, and then there's that kind of cool looking building that's like the one that I zoomed in a little while ago, so I'll zoom in on it again. Let's see, okay. Yeah, way down there you can see some other casinos as well, so. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.